Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks in Minecraft Bedrock. Command blocks are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to automate commands and create amazing custom experiences in your worlds. To begin, you'll need to ensure cheats are enabled in your world settings. Then, you can easily obtain a command block by typing the simple command /give at command block into your chat. This will grant you one command block to start your journey. There are 3 primary types of command blocks, each with a unique function and color. First, the orange impulse block executes its command just one time when activated by a redstone signal. Next, the green chain block runs its command only after the command block directly before it has successfully executed. Finally, the blue repeat block continuously executes its command as long as it remains powered, making it perfect for ongoing effects. Once your virtual network is established, launch Risk of Rain 2. From the main menu, navigate to the multiplayer section. The host player should select Host Game to create a new session. Other players will then choose Join Game and enter the host's virtual IP address, which can be found within your virtual LAN software. This simple step connects everyone directly into the game world, ready for adventure. Command blocks unlock endless possibilities in your Minecraft worlds. You can use them for automatic teleportation, giving players specific items, or even spawning custom mobs. A crucial tip is to always test your commands in the regular chat window first to ensure they work correctly before embedding them into a command block. For more complex actions, chain several command blocks together. And for commands needing constant repetition, consider building a simple redstone clock to power your repeat blocks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.